Okay, so here I am in Michael's, and they've got the 30% off, which I did see. So there's lots. Wow, look at that. How chunky is this? So yeah, this is all new to me yarn, guys. Well, maybe the odd thing isn't, because I mean, obviously I know I've had some Lime Brand mandalas. These cloud cakes are very squish. Oh my goodness, just very squish. And what's this? Macchiato cakes. And there's those. I don't know if we've got how many aisles. That's not a yarn aisle. Neither is this, but this is where it starts. Oh, can't tell you how exciting this is. I know it's pretty ordinary to you guys across the pond, but I'm in Michael's and I can't believe it. So look, I really need to behave myself because I've got one of these at home. Discontinued, isn't it? The latte cakes, and I have that very colour. How strange is that? I did used to have that colour, but yeah, anyway, as I was saying, I've got to behave myself because, you know, I'll have to take all my clothes and dump them if I go too crazy, because the case will be, I'll just buy a new case and pay. Loops and Threads, hear these names all the time. Can you hear I'm so excited? How bizarre is that? I got an Uber, guys. I got an Uber. That's how I got here. My very first ever Uber. And I said to him, you know, you probably think I'm really stupid, but I'm so excited. He went, no, it's your thing. I went, it is my thing. Oh, I can't stop touching. Loops and Threads, we've got. I'm overwhelmed. I am. I'm kind of, it's like a kid in a candy store, exactly that. You know, only an adult in a yarn store instead. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Oh, look, there's a Gary over there. I found a Gary. Look at that. That's beautiful colour. That belongs up there. Then put it back in the right place. But wow, that's Loops and Threads. So, yeah, the carts are a bit rickety. I was a bit surprised. This is very snazzy. Well, I'm liking the Loops and Threads. Look at this. Pretty. Just a bit excited. Can't help myself. You know, you're all going to think I'm stupid, but no, where were we? Oh, look at these. These are massive Karen Jumbos. They're gigantic. Might, you know, definitely send my case over with those. So these look scratchy. They look like they've got wool in them, so I'm going to stay well away from those. Wow, look at this. Look at this one. This is gorge. And so is this one. Look at that colour. Oh, and up there, there's more. It's just all the yarn that I've seen you guys across the pond get in, and I've thought, I want to get there, I want to squish that, I want to get some of that, and it's all been out of my reach until today. Until today. There may be none left for you guys. You just don't know. I've got some of this. I ordered it from Joann's. There was a time when Joann's would ship to the UK, and I ordered a couple of times. Don't do it anymore, obviously, because Joann's are a bit, you know, gone, sort of thing. So we've got the accessories as well. I found a Gary again there, guys. Oh wow, what's this one? More Loops and Threads. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So yeah, you know, I fully expect to. What's this? Gary's found some fluff. It glows in the dark. Okay. Which way do I need to go? That way, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. Yeah, so this DIY glow, they did ask me if I wanted to review that but I didn't do it for some reason. Right, we've got more accessories now. So that's the yarn, guys. Gary said there's some more over the other side. Maybe it's a clearance section. I don't know. But I will have to go check that out to see if it is. But yeah. Oh, look. Books. Granny squares everywhere. And lots of stuff. Oh, look, lights as well. Looks like a fan. I don't know what that stuff is. up there. This, well, I shall investigate. I'm going to have to go and end my video in a sec, but for now there's patterns and polyfill, all the fibre fill stuff, but you know, I'm like mega happy to be here, and I shall have to have a look at Walmart as well. So yeah, now I've learned Uber. I just wish I'd started that at the beginning of our holiday, because you know, that is beautiful. I'm really into orange at the moment. That is silky soft, absolutely beautiful. Sweet Snuggles Light, but it's such a big ball, such a big ball. So that's $9.99, but there's 30% off. I think it's 30% off everything. I have to read the sign in a minute. Oh, that red is amazing. It is so soft. That's lovely. Very fat yarn. Would only really knit with that. I don't tend to crochet with really fat yarn. This reminds me of one that I sell. This reminds me of the King Cole Beaches, but it does feel a little fatter. That's more, seems finer, the Beaches, but that's very similar to one of the colours. Not all of them, obviously, because they don't do many that kind of colour. They're all more brighter. Whoa, this is so scratchy. This is Stitch, Soak, Scrub. So this is to make it scrubbies. Well, I might have to get some of that. Maybe hard on the hands, but you know, could make some kitchen scrubbies with that. We in the UK, we don't really do that. You know, we don't do towel toppers, scrubbies and face washcloths and any of those things. So it's kind of a bit alien to us. What's this one? It's got no yarn band. This is $6.49, whatever it is. Let's get this one. It seems like it'll come out easier. Is that another sort of thing? Yeah, squeaky clean polyester. So again, you could make some scrubbies with that, unless you guys know. Well, you could also make some exfoliating face stuff. That looks so soft. I thought the latte cakes were gone. I certainly can't get them anymore, because there is a supplier where I used to get all that sort of stuff, and it was definitely gone. I was going, wasn't I? I was ending my video, but I just kind of got distracted by yarn. I love the marbly yarn. I do. I just love yarn. You know, face it. Just love yarn. Look at these. This reminds me of one of the colours that I've got in the Red Heart Unforgettable. I had some Happy Mail for those. I've still got quite a lot of the colours. They are very similar in colours to some of them. This is shiny. It's got a sheen on it. And it's mega soft. Well, yeah, like I said. What's Gary found? Gary's found this, guys. I don't know. It's very kind of bobbly. Like the homespun sort of thing. Anyway, I will end this now and go check out these yarns up close and personal, and I'll let you see. Ooh, see how easily I get distracted? I'll let you see what I buy. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.